Jesus, I gotta ride in a bucket.
You're gonna be my
okay.
headlight.
Flat. Make this son of a bitch flat first.
Don't worry, I'll make it more comfortable.
Okay, thanks. I'm not like them crazy women that you were out riding around with them in your backhoe. Ah. Ah.
Before we do anything, I need you to come over here and turn the fuel back on in the injection pump. It will crank. You see the little cable connector on the top of the injection pump?
Right here?
No.
Nope, that's the
forward.
Forward.
There's a little cable connector on the very top of the injection pump.
Am I looking at? I gotta no.
Hold on, let me get down here and I'll show you where it's at.
I have no idea what I'm looking at.
This little dude right there? Show that forward.
What?
That little guy.
Forward?
That's the fuel shut off. For a diesel.
Okay, that's weird.
No, you just gotta get her to crank.
There's so many people. Fuck yeah, okay. All right, we're good. We're good. Okay, so we're going to get beer on a backhoe. It should only take about like 27 hours, so 26 hours. Oh, yeah, 27 hours. Whoa. Hang on.
I went in high gear there.
Okay, well, give me a minute.
Give me a minute.
Holy shit, dude. All right. Okay.
That takes a bit, so sorry about that.
Yep.
Bit. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm holding on. Grab a beer. Yeah, I grabbed. You need one?
Oh, I can't drink it, but they give me immediate heartburn.
Sorry, man. Would you like a big old pussy drink? Blackberry.
No, the
Jacks.
I've got a lot of gut issues.
All right, so we're good.
Really, the only thing I can say.
Ironic, because it's the only thing I can drink. Okay, do this. Okay. Right. Hang on. Oh! Oh, that's something only a young man should do.
Well, you had fun.
I did. Fuck yeah.
I hope you grabbed more than one beer.
I grabbed 2. Damn it.
They're all shook up, but you grabbed 2.
2.